Welcome back to the channel. 2018 Dodge Journey. Whatever else far as year, make, and model, far as the Journey, I'll put in the title far as the years. But anyway, low beam headlight. We had to try to change that, but they gave us the wrong ones. But this is the video for the high beam. So the high beam will be right here. You'll have to spin it out, and you'll see it right here. Yeah, we got a moisture buildup problem, so they don't make them like they used to. So this one right here, this connector actually connects right here as far as that wire. Let's see if I can find a spot for our light. And let's see. So move this back. This is our high beam here. Let's go ahead and twist it. Let's see if I can twist it and pull it out. Twisting, pulling him out like that. And this might be the turning signal. And yep, I think that's what that is. And we're gonna pop that one back in. And that should be the high beam down there. So let's turn it to the passenger side and pull it out. There we go. So this one's broken too. So whatever's going on with this moisture issue, I know they're not making the lights and they're not sealing them like they used to. It's causing the whole connector head to break off, and they gave us the wrong one. So I think they gave us the high beams for the vehicle instead of the low beam. So let me verify everything, but this is what they gave us for the high beam, but it's not the correct one. So let's match this up with the ones that they gave us and see if this is the correct one. But if you want to leave from now, this will be where it's located, right down there under your turn signal, which is this is your turn signal, and right there be your high beam. Okay, for those who want to leave. All right, so we're gonna disconnect this dude same way as the low beam right here. Gonna pull these back and pop it out like that. Okay, so now let's look in the inside. This one has the sleeves on it. So this is the ones they sold us and said it was the low beam, but these are the high beam, and we got a high beam out. So let's get that pack and let's change it. All right, so this is the middle part that I was talking about. As far as that sleeve right there, it has to be the double groove, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna have some issues and you won't be able to get it in. You're gonna have to go back to the store anyway. So we're gonna set that out of the way. And we're gonna take a little bit of bulb grease, just a little bit, and put it in there on the connectors, where the connector goes. And you just wanna touch just the metal contact spots. So just a little bit, just like that. That's enough. Don't over glob it or anything. It's gonna be too much. You know when you wanna do it. All right, so now from there, we're gonna go ahead and connect this dude back. Grab him gently and slowly. Want it to click. And we're gonna go right back in here. All right, so see if that's on camera. Right here, this hole is. All right, so we're gonna line it up. Let's go back in, and we want to make sure we got all of our fat ones and spots they need to be in. All right, let's line it up. Might have to rotate it and then rotate it. So yeah, let me flip this here, slide him in slow, and you want to feel it rest in those grooves. There we go. And then we're gonna rotate it towards the driver's side. I almost had it, but yep, this is the tedious part, and it's hard to see. And I'm trying to find me somewhere for my light. There we go. Get it in the groove. Not in one of them. Let's see. Let's try to work it again. It's almost in there. Okay, so let's see where my problem is. Problem's on this side. So let's go in this way and try to line these up a little different. And you'll feel it. And let's rotate it down. There we go. All right, so we got that in. Let's test the high beam real fast. Is it working?
Yep, it's on.
All right. So that'll be the procedure on changing the high beam. So now we just got to get the low beam, which should be over here for those. I'll have a video for that. But that's the connector there. But they told us that that was the low beam, but we end up having the high beams, and that one was out anyway. So yep, hopefully this helps you change your high beams and your low beams. But I'm gonna make a full video for the low beam. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm out.